Okay, so now our job is to go on to the next step, which is another form of the line. It's called the point slope form of the line. Let's get ready here. Okay, pencil, ready to go. Okay, here's our topic. It is called the point slope form of the line. So I've got it, I'm going to write it up here. Slope, point slope form of the line. Unfortunately, it's a little bit more memorization. Form of the line. And here it is. It looks like this. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. That is the point slope of the line. Okay, let's go right away to an example and try and get busy trying to explain this. So the explanation is as follows. I'm sorry. The example is as follows. What if you have here's how it's phrased. Watch how it's phrased. Then they put a little. We got to put a little English in here. All right. So it says write an equation. Write an equation of a line. Write an equation of a line that goes through the point 2 comma negative 3, 2 comma negative 3, and it has slope m equals negative 4. Okay, so as soon as you see a question that says write an equation, or it says give an equation, what you right away should go right away to your scrap paper, and write down this formula right here. y1 minus y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Now this formula needs three ingredients. This formula needs 3 ingredients. 1, it needs a y1. 2, it needs a x1. And 3, it needs an m. So they gave us a point. This point is going to be our x1 and our y1. And this is going to be our slope. So we're going to take x1 and put it here. We're going to take y1 and put it here. And we're going to take the slope and put it here. We have all the ingredients. Therefore, we write y minus y1, which is negative 3, equals m, which is negative 4, times x minus x1 is right over here, is 2, and finish the parentheses. So we needed to fill in a y1, an x1, and an m. y1, m, x1. Where does it come from? Here's our x1, right there, x1. Here's our y1, right there is our y1. And here is our slope right here. Okay, now we clean it up. So minus minus is y plus 3 equals negative 4x, and negative 4 times negative 2, which is plus 8. Then this minus 3 on left, minus 3 on right, and y equals negative 4x plus 5. This is usually what they want. This is usually what they want. Usually what they want. They want on the answer sheet. This is in y equals mx plus b form. This is what they want on the answer sheet. Okay, that is our first example for point slope form of the line. Our next example is as follows. We have to go, I hardly have any space anymore. So I'm going to have to go to the next sheet to do the next to continue with this subject called the point slope form of the line. We're not done with this. I got to go to the next video to do that. So I'm going to sign off of this video and go on to the next in order to keep explaining this topic. So here we go. It is, we want to stop recording.